wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 9 best solar panel mounts. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. As the name says, you don't have to get out the power tools with the Renogy Drill Free, which sticks to surfaces using a strong adhesive. It works with virtually any aluminum framed panel and helps to cool your hardware by providing an air gap beneath it. It's made from sturdy ABS plastic that's 100% recyclable, but it is hard to adhere to convex roofs. At number 8, the Link Solar Kit consists of a single arm that attaches to a pole or fence post with 2 durable hose clamps and a fixed bracket. The angle can be adjusted with little effort from 0 to 90 degrees to maximize your module's output throughout the year. It's made from rust-resistant components and can also be wall-mounted. However, the instruction manual is poorly written. Coming in at number 7 on our list, the nepowa single arm is available in 6 sizes, from a 15-inch model suitable for 35-watt panels all the way up to a 55-inch unit that can accommodate 420 watts. It pairs best with panels from the same company as they come ready with mounting holes. It tilts up to 90 degrees and works on poles up to 5 inches thick. U-bolts would have been a nice touch though. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for solar panel mounts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the renogy PM-S01 can be attached to any pole that's 4 inches in diameter or smaller. It comes with all the bolts, clamps and other necessary fasteners, and setup requires just a few wrenches and a torque extension. It stands up to heavy winds, however note that 2 people are recommended for setup, and you don't get any printed instructions with it. Moving up our list to number 5. Designed for use with the company's 150-watt panels and smaller, the Renogy Tilt can be set up on any flat surface and adjusted for optimal performance. It's suitable for rooftop placement and is easy to assemble, thanks to its lightweight yet sturdy aluminum alloy build. It's made from corrosion-free materials and comes from an industry leader. Its tilt range depends on the panel size. At number 4, if you're looking to wire up something to feed your whole house, you'll likely want something bigger than the wasserstein gutter mount. But if you just need a simple solution to support the panels for, say, outdoor Wi-Fi cameras, it might just do the trick. It's compatible with most gutters and swivels 360 degrees. It's available in black or white. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. As long as it's less than 28 inches wide, the Windynation adjustable will let you attach your panel to the top of your house, shed or RV. It's likely most suitable for 100-watt hardware and smaller. It's a breeze to set up and folds easily for storage. It's backed by a 2-year warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for solar panel mounts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Link Solar Adjustable offers you many options on where to install it, including on the roof of your house, motorhome or garage, as well as on a boat. It comes with 4 rails, 2 legs and everything required to attach all the pieces together and angle them properly. It's available in 3 sizes and resistant to rust. It supports up to 300-watt panels. And coming in at number 1 on our list, at 41 inches wide, the EcoWorth Off-Grid is a good option for those looking to install big panels. If your array consists of medium-sized equipment, you might be able to get away with installing 2 horizontally oriented panels per bracket. You can tilt it up to 60 degrees, and it's a good choice for large systems. It also comes in a 28-inch size. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for solar panel mounts, or simply click beneath this video.